Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to set an IP addresses to the interfaces in a Cisco router. So this is a router I am taking and just click on the router, go to the CLI option and you will see one option initially that would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog, yes or no. So simply type no. Then you will go into the root user mode. Okay, so here you will type enable to go into the privilege mode. Then to go into the configuration mode, we have to type configuration terminal or simply type shortcut conf t. Okay, and now we will come into the global configuration mode, and here we will add the IPs, okay, to the interfaces. So you can see our interface is gigabyte 000 and the IP address for this interface I will mention as a 192.168.1.1. So first of all, I will mention the interface. This is gigabyte 0/0/0. Okay, then hit enter. Then I will mention the IP address for this interface as 192.168.1.1 and then give the space, and then we have to mention the subnet mask also. So for this is a class C IP address. So for this class C IP address, subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. Then press enter. Then I will give the no shut command. So right now you can see these ports are in the down state. You can see they are in the red color. Once I hit the enter, this port will become in the up state. Okay. Okay, so now you can see the ports are turns into the green color and you can see the notification also line protocol on this interface gigabit ethernet 000 change state to up. Okay, means our interface is up. And if you want to check through the command, so we have to go back into the privilege state. So for that, just type end. So we can now into the privilege mode. So here type one command show IP interface brief. Okay, and hit enter. So you can see our interface which we have added, and these states and protocol both are in the up state for this IP addresses. So in this way we can confirm that we can add the IP addresses to the interface in a Cisco router. And hope you like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.